Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best bracelet making kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for young girls aged 5 to 7 to express their individuality and develop fine motor skills, offering a delightful blend of fun and learning that can lead to hours of imaginative play and the creation of personalized accessories they can proudly wear or gift to friends and family. Number 5. Just My Style ABC Beads by Horizon Group USA. Unleash your creativity and make more than 40 unique accessories. You can follow the instructions to learn how to craft bracelets, braids, and keychains. With over 1,000 beads and charms, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match them on the included cording to design your own jewelry and keychains. It's time to spell out your style in a fun way. Use the alphabet beads and charms to create names, phrases, or any words you desire. This kit is not only fun but also beneficial for development. It helps improve hand-eye coordination and encourages self-expression. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from various beads and cords to charms and easy-to-follow instructions. Get ready to start creating. What we like. This kit offers a massive variety of beads and charms, perfect for spelling out names or phrases. If you love personalizing your accessories and want to create a large number of unique items, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The bracelet making kit comes with an easy-to-use clasp system, making it simple for young children to fasten their creations. All the components are made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety and longevity for the finished bracelets. Number 4. Dowsabel Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything a beginner needs to start making beautiful bracelets and jewelry. It comes with a generous amount of clay beads, various charms, stretchy strings, scissors, and tweezers. Let's begin your creative journey. We've included easy-to-follow instructions and videos to guide you step-by-step in creating bracelets, jewelry, and earrings. You'll also learn how to use all the included charms and accessories. We aim to provide a relaxed and enjoyable experience for everyone. Our beads are crafted from healthy, environmentally friendly materials that are light, durable, and comfortable to the touch. They are waterproof and resistant to fading, so you can wear your creations with confidence, even while bathing or swimming. They are completely safe for kids. With thousands of clay beads in a vibrant array of colors and a variety of charming accessories, the possibilities for creative expression are limitless. Let your imagination soar and design unique pieces that truly reflect your personal style. This versatile bracelet making kit is ideal for sparking creativity and imagination in children. It's perfect for holiday playtime and helps enhance hand-eye coordination, manual dexterity, and concentration. It makes a thoughtful and joyful gift for various occasions. We ensure the highest quality for our bead kits through professional quality control. If you encounter any issues or have questions, our customer service team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Enjoy a risk-free purchase. What we like. With 5,000 pieces of polymer clay beads and beginner-friendly instructions, this kit is ideal for those just starting out. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with safe, waterproof materials for endless creative possibilities, this is a great choice. What people say. This bracelet making kit is a fantastic gift for girls aged 5 to 7. It comes with a wide variety of colorful beads, charms, and strings, allowing for endless creative possibilities. The kit includes easy-to-use tools that are perfect for little hands, making the bracelet making process enjoyable and frustration-free. The finished bracelets are durable and look great. Number 3. Neo-Brite Chains and Charms Kit. Unleash your creativity with the Neo-Brite Chains and Charms Kit. Design and craft up to 10 unique bracelets, perfect for expressing your personal style. This kit provides everything you need to create 10 stylish cord and tassel charm bracelets. With 195 colorful pieces, the possibilities are endless. Engage in creative play that also enhances fine motor skills and tactile sensory development. It's a fun and educational activity for young crafters. Everything you need is right here in this jewelry making set. Create personalized fashion with beads, tassels, chains, and a convenient play tray. Looking for the perfect gift? This kit offers hours of crafting fun and is ideal for birthdays or any occasion for girls aged 8 and up. Designed for tweens who love fashion and DIY projects. Let your imagination run wild and create beautiful, personalized jewelry. What we like. This kit focuses on creating 10 stylish bracelets with trendy neon beads and chains. If you're looking for a kit that targets slightly older girls, 8+, who enjoy fashion-forward designs and a more curated crafting experience, this one is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The bracelet making kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions, making it suitable for beginners. All the components are made of durable and safe materials, ensuring longevity and child safety. Number 2. Dowsabel Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the Dowsabel Bracelet Making Kit, a complete set designed for endless jewelry crafting fun. It's perfect for creating personalized bracelets, necklaces, and more. This kit includes a vibrant assortment of pony beads, polymer clay beads with fun shapes like smile faces, and letter beads. You'll also find elastic string and ropes to bring your designs to life. All the beads are neatly organized in a 27-grid plastic box, making storage and transport a breeze. The beads are perfectly sized for little hands and comfortable to wear. Crafted from healthy, eco-friendly materials, these beads are lightweight, durable, and waterproof. You can wear your creations confidently, even while bathing or swimming. This kit is more than just a craft, it's a tool to enhance hand-eye coordination, practical skills, and creativity. It's an ideal gift for girls aged 6 to 12, fostering imagination and logical thinking. Surprise your daughter, best friend, or granddaughter with this amazing craft kit. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion, from Christmas to birthdays, guaranteed to bring smiles. What we like. This kit provides a diverse mix of bead types, including pony, polymer clay, and letter beads, all neatly organized in a 27-grid box. If you appreciate organized storage and a variety of bead textures and styles for diverse jewelry making, this is a practical and fun choice. What people say. This bracelet making kit includes a variety of colorful beads and charms. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions, making it simple for kids to create their own jewelry. The finished bracelets are durable and look great, perfect for kids to wear or gift. Number 1. LEITAIT Girls Bracelet Making Kit. Looking for the perfect gift for a creative girl? Our bracelet making kit has everything she needs to create beautiful, unique jewelry. With thousands of beads in various colors and styles, she can explore countless design possibilities. It's a fantastic way to enjoy DIY crafts and make meaningful gifts. She can create personalized bracelets to express her unique style and strengthen friendships. It's a lovely way to show you care for friends and family. Even beginners can jump right in with the included instructions. It's a fun activity that also helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and concentration. This kit is an inspiring birthday or Christmas present that guarantees hours of fun and sparks creativity. Seeing her smile will be the most meaningful part. What we like. This kit boasts a large quantity of beads with a fun unicorn mermaid theme, suitable for a wide age range. If you're looking for a gift that sparks imagination and creativity for younger girls, ages 5 to 12, with a touch of fantasy, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The bracelet making kit comes with an easy-to-use clasp system, making it simple for young children to fasten their creations. All the beads and charms are made from durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for children aged 5 to 7. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.